All right, guys, we entered our trade. We're down 150. We're looking for us to come down further into the gap, about to a 50% retracement, which is sitting about here. So we'll close this. We're protected to just above that blue line. That's about $800. Sitting above this blue line right here will put us at $800 positive. We seem to be struggling mightily. It looks like they're trying to push it back up right now at noon. I want to see it come down first into at least 50% of the gap. We get 50% of the gap, then we're good. So 50% of the gap is about 596.80. Until we come down to 596.80, I'm not looking for this thing to go all the way back up. But if we can get 50% of the gap, which you see right here, that'll put us at this point right here, and we should take it on back up to the high. It's not time yet. Still more room to push down. Now, if they push us up to 60 cents, then I'll be out of my trade and we'll move on to look at a different direction. But right now, I'm very confident in the push down first. So we see negative $400. We'll lock in positive 250. But all we want to see is it break this line here, heading towards this line. Now we are in the middle, so that's not necessarily where we wanted to be on the trade. We would have preferred getting in from the 200 EMA, or the line above the 200 EMA, I should say, is our preferred entry. So we are a little high, but we're pretty confident in this move. Pretty confident in this move. We are currently consolidating to the downside. That is confidence inspiring. Once we break 597, it is on and popping. And we can't leave this gap behind. We can't go all the way up and then just leave this gap behind and keep running. They're going to fill this gap to at least right here, which is actually where my take profit is, within the next hour or so. So if we got to let this run for an hour, I'm not going to let the video run for an hour because it will fill up my computer. But if we have to let this trade run for an hour, we will. Should be seeing a breakout to the downside here in a moment. Now this support is holding very strong, so that is a frustrating thing that I am actually in at the higher point. I want to be in about $700 higher. So what I might do is close out in profit and then head north of where I'm at right now to start my trade, unless we get the go ahead breakout right now. If we get the breakout right now, we're good. But if we don't get the breakout right now, then I'm going to close out in profit and go to a higher point. But it looks like we are getting the breakout right now, so that's good on our behalf. But we're on the 4-hour time frame. We've been in this thing about 10 minutes. Come on, break that 597. Once they break the plane of 597, we're going to get a very strong push towards where I need it to go. We've got positive 100. We've seen negative 7 will be the high. We need this thing to break down right now. It is 12:10. Look, this is what I'm going to do. Look to close in profit. If it's not going to go down now, we're going to give it 30 seconds. If we cannot get it to go to 597.08, we're just going to leave the trade altogether, no matter where we're at, because it's going up faster than it's going down. So we want to still profit, and then we want to reposition and get in higher. Yeah, we're not getting anything positive out of this. Let's go. Give us the push. We're in consolidation. We're going to exit consolidation here soon. Give us the exit and consolidation push down so that we can lock in confidently. I really don't want to take $100 or $200. So they're on lunch right now. This is our retail traders at this point. We are looking at all retail traders at this point. Can we get enough retail money to break this thing down, to break this blue line? It's not looking like it. If we can get enough retail money in here to break this blue line, we'll get a nice $200-$300 push. Come on, kids. Come on, sellers. Sell it off. You guys are strong. There we go. There's 100. Go down to about 10 cents so I can confidently lock in. Break the blue line for me. There's 150. Oh, here we go. There's 200. There's 250. Break that blue line. If we can break 250, we're going. $300. Can we get it? Going once. Going twice. Come on, break 300. There it is. $300. Yes. That's what we need. We need to see us break into 598. There's 350. That's what we're talking about. There's 500. That's what we're talking about, guys. There it is. We need to get to 80 cents. 80 cents, we're closing out. Okay, so let's lock profit right. 99. We're almost at a point to lock in. Not gonna be stubborn about it. 80 cents flat will get us locked in. There it is. $1,000 trade right there. Now keep going. Okay, so we got 1,000 out of it. Great lock. I knew it would come down to the 50% retracement of the zone here. It should push down further. I probably locked in a little soon, but we almost got the full $2,000 trade. The $2,000 trade is right here.